Welcome back to my channel Orbit Sphere. In today's video we are going to cover the macOS feature, which is mission control. The mission control is your go-to hub for managing the multiple windows and spaces effortlessly. To access the mission control, simply swipe up with the 3 fingers on your trackpad. Okay, so here is how you can see how you can access the mission control. To switch between the apps desktops, you can just click on it, or you can just swipe left or swipe right between the desktops. With the mission control, you can see all your open applications. You can have a quick view of all your open apps. You can organize your open applications in between the different desktops, right? So let's just open let's just move this Safari into the different desktop. Okay, so there you go, it's moved to the desktop too, right? To create a new space, you can just click on the new space that will add the new space, and to close this window, you can press escape, or you can swipe 3 finger down, right? That's it. So that was quick tutorial on mission control. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much once again. Have a lovely day.